capitalize all letters on Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn the easiest way. So guys, let's start with the video guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are, and I have already opened my Google Docs, and I have some simple text here, which is my my channel name. So you can see this is all in small letter. So in order to make the all this letter capitalize or make it capitalize, we need to use one option. First thing, we need to select the tags. Okay, so you need to select that all tags which you want to make the capitalize. Okay, and after the select, now we need to go in format. Under the tags, here you can see the option called bold, italic, underline, and few more options you can see. And you can come, if you come to the down, you can see the option called capitalization. So here you can see the option called lower, uppercase, and title case. We need to make upper, so just click on this uppercase, then you can see the all text has been converted in capitalized. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.